Hex and star tool manufacturers all want tools with superior hardness. The harder the tool is, the greater the torque it can generate, the longer it will wear. But increasing hardness sacrifices ductility, a tool's ability to flex without breaking or permanently bending. The result can be brittleness that causes breaking and shattering. A user can be injured, and undetected steel fragments can damage equipment. Decreasing hardness to boost ductility creates the opposite problem. Tools are more flexible, but they are also too weak to generate the torque for breaking loose a stubborn screw, and they wear prematurely. That is the dilemma of using one-size-fits-all standard grades of steel. There is no control over the steel's composition or its properties. Compromised quality is the outcome, but Bondhus tools have both superior hardness and superior ductility. Protanium high-torque steel does not suffer the limitations of standard grades of steel. Protanium steel is a custom blend developed by and only available from Bondhus. Bondhus alone dictates every aspect of its production. As an example, adding precise quantities of additional elements to the protanium steel blend produces small grain size and radically changes its ability to be heat-treated. The transformation point of protanium steel can also be precisely controlled, and stress within the steel is minimized. Grain size can be reduced, and hardness can be increased without loss of ductility. The result is protanium steel tools with up to 20% more torque and twice the wear resistance of competitor tools made from standard grades of steel. The host of conditions common in standard grades of steel, like cracks and decarburization, contribute to poor ductility and shattering. They are eliminated in protanium steel. Every batch is brake tested to determine ductility and torque capacity, and when significantly over-torqued, over 99% of all Bondhus tools break clean, while many competitors cannot even hit 50%. Testing polished cross-sections of every batch of steel beneath the microscope is done before and after heat treating to guarantee a consistent level of hardness throughout, not just on the surface. Bondhus also specifies and controls the drawing process, and with the ideal ductility of protanium steel, even the stock is superior to common grades of steel. Surfaces are smooth and free of pits and burrs, with sharp, clean edges that do not show any signs of rounding. Bondhus tools generate full torque without stripping and eliminate the cost and frustration of damaged tools and stripped screw heads. The quality surfaces even help eliminate places where moisture and contaminants collect and form rust. Don't be deceived. Tools that boast compliance with ANSI and other standards only mean they meet an absolute minimum level of quality. This competitor's tool meets ANSI standards. Notice its deformed tip and crude surfaces and edges in comparison to a Bondhus tool. Over 60 different quality assurance tests guarantee Bondhus tools far exceed all the established standards, and more importantly, they conform to Bondhus standards for tools made from protanium high-torque steel. So remember, only Bondhus tools are made from protanium steel. They will outperform, out-torque, and outlast every other hex and star tool available.